didn't sleep yet.
You have played.
Around 2-3 hours. This is not enough.
Why?
I need to sleep more.
Okay. We can sit in the boarding game.
Really?
Yep.
Okay, hopefully. We can use this machine to get you something to drink.
Oh.
You need something hot or cold? I guess hot.
I don't know.
Ginger.
Yeah, that would be great.
Yeah. We will find someone.
Selamat datang di Bandara Udara Internasional Juanda Surabaya di Sidoarjo. Untuk alasan keselamatan pesawat.
Welcome to Surabaya.
You are honest because the weather here is much. I'm invading the fields. Invading these green fields of rice. These guys seem not to know how to plant any other plant except rice.
What else?
Cassava.
This one.
Where?
This is that what I told you, the mini passion fruit. Try this. Eat this.
I ate this?
Yeah.
No, I will not.
Oh, wait for me. Then we can eat together.
Okay. I just eat it. Are you sure?
Inside this. See?
Should I open it?
Yep.
Okay. And eat this little thing?
Yes. Please.
Are you sure?
No.
I trust you.
Yeah.
What is this thing?
Yes. And I have the flower. No. Christ.
Please capture this for me.
What?
And capture this also. The man who is eating the tree.
Why eating?
Yeah, because you told me that this tree is a Siwak tree, and actually I tasted, and yes, I confirm. It is the same taste.
Yes.
You just need a little bit modification to be usable.
Yep.
But I guess like this.
You can find more bigger one, bigger branch. This small.
just for fun. And then you can put this in the sun, and then
Dry
you
it.
can peel it like this and use it. But I confirm this is the same taste. Yeah, I know it.
The man who eating.
The man was eating the tray. Just to make sure of its type.
Oh, Mesa.
This is enough for this swag.
Hey! Hey!
Oh, where are you going? Misha.
Done. Break.
You know?
Kuning ini. Pak ketorai.
God bless first children.
Ketorai. Peteng. No. Cacanet.
Oh, sarung. Iya aku ketika isanu jajan wis yo. Dulune yang ngono dalamnya manis. Delek ciplukan. Tapi ono kuwe kono bungkuse.
Om, telewat Om.
Telok karo belet.
Oh iya bener.
Nasarullah doa hukum
Insyaallah.
istiqomah.
Insyaallah. Asalullah an yaj'alhum laka min as-salihin. Insyaallah.
Ana yakin doa musafir
مستجاب مستجاب نعم إن شاء الله. أنت فهمت ماذا قال؟
نعم أفهم.
جيد. أنت فهمت؟
Of course I do. Yes. نعم أفهم.
أنت تفهم. جيد.
نعم.
فهم يفهم فهما فهو فاهم
وذاك
مفهوم وتلك فهمته.
Ana ta'alam fi nahdi fi imriti kalamuhum lafdun mufidun musnatu walakin matul lafdun mufidun musnatu lesna fi dan summa harfin tangkon si bahasi salah satu kalim.
هذا صعب. أنا لا يمكنني أن أفهم هكذا.
I understand. Yeah.
This martabak is better than the one we eat in Jakarta.
Why?
I don't know. two things here is better: rice cake and martabak.
Okay.
Looks like they don't know how to cook in Jakarta.
But they have the martabak Mesir.
Whatever martabak, this martabak is better than one Jakarta. You can translate it. Yeah.
Tahu nyoba martabak di Jakarta, tapi jarene saya nandok kene lima di Jakarta. Oh.
Maybe because the martabak we eat in Jakarta is martabak Misr. And anything you add Misr beside it, it will be worse.
No.